Welcome to Vail, everybody. This is the first stop on Lifestraw's Clean Water Across America tour. We're starting off at the GoPro Mountain Games.
So who's excited?
See how clean that water is?
GoPro Mountain Games, we saw highlining, the most amazing highlining I've ever seen in my life. We've seen whitewater kayaking, also amazing whitewater kayaking I've ever seen in my life.
Acrobatic in the water.
Whitewater acrobatics. It's time to make Astrid the Airstream into our home. So now that we're done with the GoPro Mountain Games, the next chapter will begin.